do a zoom in on?
That is impressive.
Can you
Look
zoom in on it?
Look to our right. Look to our left.
Wow. Okay, well, are you getting
Look
a
at the
video?
parking lot.
Are you getting a video of it all? Okay.
I think you're stupid because it'll be reported for all of history.
And then, but what is that just branches down there floating around by
Yeah.
the car? Looks like the expressway is at a standstill too. Isn't that what that is? The expressway right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, on one side it's...
Actually, I think those trucks are just stopped.
Oh yeah, look right there. Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it. I got it on film.
What about on this side?
Nothing. I can see. I guarantee it's flooded though.
Yeah, let's see. Whoa! There's more people. Yeah.
New 340 up next as well. Hang out. Mother's Day is right at 1015.com. Just no new pictures. You can send them. We'll definitely look at them, but they're not going to make the website for the contest. Once you're there, it's all up to Flint to decide who is the mother of all milk and walk away with a brand new iPad and a $250 gift certificate to Lover's Lane. You have until Friday, May 4th to submit your picture, and voting begins Saturday, May 5th. The winner will be crowned May 11th, just in time for Mother's Day. The mother of all milk.
Have all these drain tiles.
Flint Rock Radio, Banana 101.5.
Well, they don't have it documented anywhere, you know, like where the tiles are.
Throughout the first half of 2011, up 56%.
So then when these contractors come in and
friends
they,
and family come to you with their computer problems,
dig all this up and build houses, they don't pay
if you're
attention
interested in this
to
field,
tiles.